LPU, Lovely Professional University at Jalandhar. She is one of the very good speakers, of course, and she has taken many sessions in our trainee programs. And in the field of social entrepreneurship, it's very difficult to find the speakers. So she is doing her PhD in the field of social entrepreneurship.
Now the people The countries are on the basis of their HDI is counted as economically developed or economically not developed. That is known as HDI, that is Human Development Index. According to one of the report that has been generated by UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program, right? Recently, they people have generated the various reports, and you will be very disappointed to come to know that our country ranks 119 out of 220 countries, and we are the second largest populated country in the world. What exactly Human Development Index means? Earlier, we generally considered that development of any country is on the basis of only economic factors. That what is the GNI, what is the gross national income of any country. Human Development Index comprises of three factors that we will discuss. That is, first one is your life expectancy, second one is the education, and the third one is the wealth distribution. Life expectancy means the average period that generally a person lives in his life. And Norway is number one. Japan is considered to be the number one in this case, that the people on an average age is 74, more than that, 74 to 80. And education means on an average how many years the person spends in the for the education itself on an average period. And the third one is wealth distribution. Wealth distribution comprises of your gross national income. Now, some of you are thinking that why I'm keep on discussing all these concepts with you, because this is all related to your development, our development of our country, right? One of the person named Bill Drayton, this is the first person who coined the term and come up with the concept of social entrepreneurship. We have been struggling with its term entrepreneurship. All of you might be aware about the same entrepreneurship, when the person using man, material, or the resources for the economic development of themselves, or the major motive behind the same is the profit. But from last 20 years, as the problems which I have been pointed with you, this is not only in our country, this is all over the world itself. There are huge and n number of problems that has been existing. We have been taking air, water, soil, natural resources from this beautiful planet Earth. But what we are giving in return? Air pollution, water pollution, diseases, those diseases which we are not aware how to overcome it. This is what we are giving back to the society. So from last 6-7 years, the concept of social entrepreneurship has come into origination. Means we are taking n number of things from our society, but what we are giving in return? So that is the big question mark that we people are coming across. So this person says that this is the first time. He is the owner of Ashoka, a public innovator. This is a big platform. This person is from the US itself, who has completed his education from Harvard, Yale as well. He says that social entrepreneurs are not content just to give a fish or teach how to fish. They will not rest until they have revolutionized the fishing industry, right? He's one of the founder of the CEO of the Ashoka, a global organization which seeks the individual, and they are providing the platform to the various innovations that is coming across throughout the world. He has been working more than 18 years for the same. The basic objective behind this organization is to give chance and the platform to the people who can come together and think for the social change that I will discuss with you in my upcoming slides. Since 1981, it's more than even 30 years that he has been working and elected 2,000 leading social entrepreneurs as Ashoka Fellows, following them to stipend as a professional support, which is generally missing. Actually, I keep on using the word social. The basic thing that we are looking in social entrepreneurship is that we are giving something back to our society. This is the big thing that differentiate the social entrepreneurs from the generally, that is the entrepreneurs itself. We have come across with n number of entrepreneurs. Recently, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi have introduced the new concept, that is Startup India. You people have might be come across in the news itself, in which they will give you the funding, and in which 80% will be by the government itself. The basic objective behind the same is to make the people self-reliant, so they are not looking for the government jobs or any other work, or they will become self-reliant. Basic objective in the entrepreneurship is like you are opening up the business for the profit making itself. Means money making is your main objective, but that is somehow differentiate the social entrepreneurship. Means you are working for the society, just bringing one social change, but your objective over here not money oriented. Means you are working for the society day and night, but your objective is not for money making only. You are distributing certain happiness among the society. You are working for certain social problems in the society that needs to be tackled on. Ashoka Bill has introduced the world fundamentally a new model, how ideas can change the social system across the global. One more thing that differentiate the social entrepreneurs toward then from the entrepreneurs itself. Entrepreneurs people, generally entrepreneurs are those who are complaining the problem, this problem, that problem. Nobody is coming across with the solution. Social entrepreneurs are those people who are working to have a bring change in the society and not looking for the problems, but they are looking for the solutions. Not only solutions, but the sustainable solution. These days, if you come across with the various articles in the newspapers or in the business forums or any other channels, the businesses, the big question mark on these days businesses are their sustainability, whether the coming businesses will be able to sustain for a long span of time or not. Sustainability is a big question mark. That was also one of the reasons that why Nokia has been taken over by the Microsoft itself. So it happens with every business because this is the culmination point. According to one research, the electronic gadgets that we people have been using, it will we people come across with air pollution only, water pollution. Now the things will come where you people have e pollution, right? Might be there are certain articles in Economic Times as well you people come across. So e pollution will be the big challenge, because e pollution is that pollution you are unable to even convert them, or you can use them for other resources, and it is very detrimental for the society because you have no any way to overcome it. Then he was one of the person with the latest 25 best leaders by US News World Report in 2005-6. In 2004, he was named as the Fast Company with the Fast 50, a group of idle elite who are pursuing the industries. In 2002, Business Week named Ashoka Approach to the Philanthropy one of the 11th most innovative business. I will discuss about the innovativeness in my upcoming slides itself. In advance, he is also considered to be the change maker in the world where anyone can apply the skills. Change making solve the complex social problems, which is generally ignored by the general social entrepreneurs. The mission of this organization of Bill, it's like to support the social entrepreneurs who are leading or collaborating with the change makers, a team models that address the fluidity, rapid evolving society. Ashoka believes that anyone can learn and apply the critical thinking skills, empathy, team leadership, and change the making successful change in the society itself. So what exactly social entrepreneur is? Social entrepreneur is the person, or a social entrepreneurship is the process in which social entrepreneurs have following characteristics. They people are innovative. What exactly innovation we people understand? Innovation and creativity are two different things. Generally, people get confused that innovation and creativity as one and same thing. Actually, creativity means a new idea. Innovation means until unless you are not commercialized that idea into reality or for the businesses itself. That is your innovation. Everyone in this world comes across with n number of ideas, but how those ideas have been converted to the reality or for the commercialization, that is known as your innovation. So this is the very imperative thing that we cannot ignore in the case of social entrepreneurship, that the person should have that social innovation. Social innovation means, I'm just sharing one common example, that is I have been observed. I went to one holy place that is there in Haryana, right? Generally in Punjab, in Gurdwaras, you people have the concept of like, this langar seva, where you have to sit in a queue and have your meal itself. Generally, people are serving the food over there, and I have been observed that there is very little innovation. There is one machine that has been used to which have four wheels that the person have been installed, and they are serving tea, hot tea in a flask itself. So this is also one of the innovation. But when we are talking in context of social innovation, any problem that is come across, I think you people have been come across with the name Muhammad Yunus, who is known as the father for he has given the concept of Grameen Bank, right? Problems are there. You people have been also observing the problems around you, and we have always cribbing for these problems. Okay, water pollution is there, air pollution is there, societal problem is there. In Punjab, there is female feticide problem is there, bribery problem is there. We are always cribbing, and we are just giving blame to the government itself for the same. But we are ignoring this thing, that why we are not, we ourselves not looking for the change in the society. Yes, we are looking for the change. Yes, we are looking for the revolution in the society, but we don't think in the manner which we are supposed to be. I will discuss certain live examples with you, certain social entrepreneurs, how they bring the change in the given conditions. So innovation aspect, that is very mandatory in the case of social entrepreneurship. That is something different, something new, and which can be work for the organization, for a society, for the company, any organization itself. You and me come across with n number of things. We have come across with the idea, okay, by this way we can resolve this problem, by that way we can resolve the problem, but we never think to implement the same. So innovation is something that will sustain. Innovation does not mean I have come across one idea. Without its implementation, there is no meaning. Then they people are transformatory. Transformatory means they change from one to another state. It can be from lower to the higher level. That with just rupees, with 27 families and $27, Muhammad Yunus has changed the lives of 5 million women in Bangladesh. And from last more than 18 to 19 years, he has been working on this concept. And his concept of Grameen Bank has been, copied by other countries as well, with the name of this microfinancing. The concept of microfinancing that we people found in the books itself, that will be originated by Muhammad Yunus itself. Then they people are the leaders itself. The leaders, what do you people understand from leadership, which is generally lacking in our country? Can anybody, so can I ask the question from them? Can it be interactive? Okay, so what exactly leadership, what do you people consider from leaders? Okay, tell me, who are true leaders? Who are true leaders?
Person who can influence or inspire the people for a particular idea, particular work.
I can influence you by,
Initiation.
okay,
Initiation, we can inspire the people to do this work for the society or the people.
okay, this we can do. If I, let's say your good name?
Yeah.
Rathor, Mr. Rathor, if I'll hypnotize for you for next 10 minutes, so you will do anything what I want. So I'll influence you. So do you think that I'm a leader? Who are true leaders? Okay, I'll just specify, means more refined my. Yes. So who are leaders actually? True leaders. Okay, I'll say.
What do you mean by true leader? What
Yes.
is the definition of true
Yeah, this is what I'm asking.
leader? Tell them. As you said, we don't have leader in our country. We have a lot. Big list.
Okay, I'm just refining my question. What do you consider who are true leaders?
A leader is a person who is a thinker, a doer, and a public oriented.
I think a PhD
Leader
scholar
is only
thinks a
leader.
lot
Leader
than
lead
any
by
other thing.
example. Leader lead by example.
He moves the whole team
I don't
to
know.
achieve a certain goal.
I think a manager in a company is doing the same work.
Who moves with his team.
You see Mahatma Gandhi. He was leader.
Okay.
Having only
Okay, no, don't give me the example. What exactly you people consider from a leader, a true leader?
who leads from the front, who remains with the team.
Manager is also doing the same thing in the companies.
Leadership cannot be done by Excel sheet work.
Okay.
Leader should come in place and interact with the team, coordinate with the team.
This is what managers generally doing in the companies.
Yeah, leading.
So in that
Yeah.
case, the managers are the leader in that particular field.
Yeah. So in new concept, the word manager is replaced by leader.
A pilot is also leader in bus.
Okay, from that side,
He is leader.
teachers are also leaders. Are we true leaders? Are we true leaders?
Obviously not. Yeah, we are leaders.
We are
Obviously.
leader of our family.
Okay, that's fine. Actually, what I consider is what you people are saying is it's right, but I want to refine it more. Actually, leaders are those, as you have given the example of Mahatma Gandhi, who are not only ideal to someone. In addition to this, leaders, true leaders, are those identities that who are ready to sacrifice their own life for someone else. If you talk about Mother Teresa, if you talk about Mahatma Gandhi, if you talk about your Narendra Modi, someone is
Diana.
actually we can consider her same.
He was leader.
Yes, Margaret
She was
Thatcher
better
of
than
that is the
Mother
Prime Minister for US itself. So true leaders are those who can sacrifice their own life for someone else. But this is somehow which is lacking. That's why we people in the population of 1.2 billion, we have not only handful of good leaders or true leaders. So in social entrepreneurship, that thing we are looking for the leadership itself, the person who can sacrifice his own life for someone. Not only sacrifice that, who are working for others, not for themselves. Because in this world of self-obsession, people are so self-obsessed that they are so self-oriented. They are thinking only about themselves, not for someone else.
Can we say that they sacrifice their own interest?
Of course, it can be. If you are sacrificing your life, this means everything.
Sacrificing his own interest,
No,
but
I'm
leading the
not,
things.
I'm not sacrificing my life, but I'm doing something extra for the society.
Yes.
Can I be counted in good leaders? You are saying
If your followers will be more.
I have followers, I'm doing my job, and in spite of that, my job,
Hmm.
in addition with my job, I'm
Hmm.
doing something for the society.
Hmm.
Not I'll be categorized into that.
Actually, this is what I'm saying. It depends upon the number of followers that you will get. Obviously, if
If she manages everything without sacrificing,
Without sacrificing, I'm saying
Or
you are using
then
word
you are
that you
simply
have
leader.
to sacrifice your life for the society. I'm not sacrificing my life.
I
Rather,
think
I'm
the
operating
people,
with,
I think the people to whom you have been naming that Mahatma Gandhi or
I think
someone
so
else,
many people there, everything he was leader.
so many, all those good leaders.
What if whom you are going to follow?
Actually, I have used the word true leaders. The name of the person that you people have been using, that Mahatma Gandhi or Mother Teresa, these are those persons who have sacrificed their lives. And they are not self-centered. As you have mentioned that, do you consider yourself as a true leader? I must mention one word with the one condition: if your followers will be more, then you will be definitely a true leaders. But it's very difficult to sacrifice your own interest, to sacrifice your self-orientation. It's a big challenge. Because this is the world of self-obsession, where we need to be self-centered. I do have a family, I do have my parents, and I need to be think upon them. And this is the basic reason that why we are ignoring our society. Because okay, if there is some sort of garbage or something around my street or there, okay, I don't have a time, I have to go to my college and take my class. That is my priority. This is with everyone. It's not for you only I'm talking about, it's for me as well. Leaders, actually, in this case of your social entrepreneurs, where you need to be answerable for your society
if
somehow.
somebody is thinking that I want to get a national award without
We will discuss.
Only simple interest.
I will discuss about the same. I'll discuss the same point. This is actually what's happening in the conceptual framework. I'll discuss the same point. There are many people who are doing n number of things of the society just for the sake of getting the awards itself, and the people are not aware. Means
They are not doing for himself.
yes,
But
they are
doing
getting
for the
yeah. The
society.
things are
Simple
also there.
interest in that I want to get.
Yeah, I'm not denying this concept. Actually, this is also I come across with certain research papers where people are doing something just for getting the awards itself. And there are certain people who are doing n number of things for the society and they don't bother about the awards. As you have mentioned that I'm doing my job, and actually the basic trait that we are looking for means if everyone in the society, I personally feel, are thinking in this manner that they are not looking something in return and they're contributing to the society, I think all these problems will be resolved. 1 billion is the population of our country. I think if the 100 million people start thinking like that, I think these problems can be resolved, and it will be definitely. The basic objective of the social entrepreneurship is to raise this wave among the people, because people are even not aware about this thing. And somehow as per the research, the theory and the concept which is somehow lacking in the case of social entrepreneurship, we are unable to come up with the common definition what exactly it is. So in my upcoming slides I will try to conceptualize the things that, and we will come to one definition or somehow with the discussion that what exactly social entrepreneurship is. Because generally people consider, if I'm doing the charity, am I social entrepreneur? If I'm not doing charity or this is NGO, am I the social entrepreneur? Every authors have their own concept. There is a big contradiction between the same. What exactly social entrepreneurship? Some people are saying that I'm running a business, I'm working it not for the profit itself. I'm investing 1 crore rupees. My return on investment is 10 crore rupees. I have been giving to the society. Still, I have some amount of money with me. So, what I'll do with that money? So, am I a social entrepreneur in that case? So, there are a number of discussions still to refine the definition itself. I think the platforms like this will help you to refine the things as well, because people are even confused it with NGOs. NGO, it's not like this. NGO means you are serving society by having penny into your pocket. There is one phrase that has been generally used: charity begins at home. I am thinking about philanthropic purposes. I'm thinking about I need to serve the people, but I do have certain amount of money into my pocket. Then only I can think upon. If you talk about Muhammad Yunus, he has actually given $27 to the woman. So if he would have $27 in his pocket, then only he can contribute for the same. So there are lots of contradiction, as you have mentioned about the awards, about the definition. So I am coming across with the various.
Social activities. They trade in the person, and they always welcome this personality. And there are very few people in the world
Yes.
that they not accept the welcomes and they not accept the.
There are certain people, yes.
They are only simply aim is to do the work. For
Yes, exactly. I'm just recalling one example. Once in time, APJ Abdul Kalam has visited our college. I have completed my education from DAV college, so he has visited our college. So generally, president at that time he was the president of our country. So everyone is giving him the welcome, just like anything. It's a big chair or So what a person says that, please remove this chair. Please remove this chair. I'll not sit there. So we people are sitting. No, it's actually, some people don't need that recognition. So everyone's, means we all are ambience, and we had a big round of applause for him. He said that, no, I'll not sit there. I'll sit on a normal chair. It actually happened. So there are certain people there. Yes, this is the true leader. Yes, that's why we are recalling him today as well. After he's no more with us, but still we are recalling. But these type of personalities are quite less. So we are trying to identify them. Then he can be a storyteller who shares their own experiences, right? Then the people manager. There's a difference between the managers and the leaders. I hope you all are clear with the same, or should I make it clear? There's a difference between managers and the leaders. So should I explain or?
Managers may be the leader.
Yes, both. It's leaders can also be the manager, as someone has mentioned that these days the even in the books
Without good
or
manager, he could not be the leader.
Yes, actually manager is the person.
Manager word is hard done.
Yes.
Actually, remember who is worst leader in this country. Remember anyone? That Lalu Prasad Yadav.
Yes,
He has also some followers.
yes, he do have.
But
Yes.
but generally managers don't have any followers.
Mm.
Managers
Just
are
manage
treated
it.
as a cruel man.
Yes, cruel man or make the work done. That's it. But leaders will inspire you to make the work done. They motivates you. They managers can only motivate you, but your leaders will find your identity. They will help you to find your own identity and shapens your identity itself. Right? There are generally three ways to influence people that we generally teaching to the students in the leadership itself. Three ways. Number one, put the pistol on someone's forehead and ask him to perform. Coercion. Hitler. This is what? Dictatorship. Right? And the second way is that you people are using your knowledge to influence people. Third time, or you are using the reference. These days in our country, people have been keep on using religion as a tool to get the votes. Okay, we have to build the Ram Mandir. Okay, no, we have to build the masjid. So use your religion. So this is the 3-4 ways generally people influence. Or the fourth way that people generally use, that is to pulse the soft corner of the person. Right? This is what generally we people are observing in this live channels, this live shows. The people are showing the emotions of the people, a person who is like an Indian Idol or any other things, or any advertisement these days you people are observing, like advertisement of this life insurance companies, where there's a father, there's a girl, who the people are moving in the market and someone is departed, and this is the emotional aspect there. So everyone have a threat and factor. Oh no, I need to get the policy, it's very important for my life. Means earlier you were sleeping at that time. So this is happening. So this is a way to influence people. These days our country have been using this tool, and it's very effective. People are very emotional. Indians are considered to be the most emotional people, but things have been changing with this liberalization, privatization and globalization. Right? As India has come to be one of the open economy of the world as well, so anyone can and have invest the business itself. So then they are opportunistic. They need to understand what are the opportunities that is coming around with us, and how to convert that opportunities into the reality, so that it can resolve any sort of social problem in a given society itself. Then they are the alliance builder. Alliance builder means they are working to shape on the entities, group of businesses. It's not like they are working on the single factor or a single problem itself. And the red that I have been highlighted, that is the problem solver. N number of issues, N number of challenges are there around you. So social entrepreneurs are working to resolve the problem itself. The basic difference, once we can differentiate, the person who is an entrepreneur, he's looking only complaining for the problems itself. Okay, this problem, that problem. But he will give you the solution. And in the solution itself, he will give you the sustainable solution. I'll discuss in my coming slides itself. Okay, this is the one phrase, the saying of the great person, that is Dr. Govinda Venkataswamy, is the founder of Arvind Eye Care Hospital. He says that if a Coca-Cola can sell millions of sodas and McDonald's can sell millions of the burger, why can't Arvind sell millions of sight restoring operations itself? This person, inspired by Aurobindo's teaching, Mr. Aurobindo retired in 1978 at the age of 57, where generally people give up their lives itself, right? Set up the hospital foundation in the Chennai. He's added Medical Research Foundation and Institute of Community in Ophthalmology. 3/4 of the surgeries in his hospital is free of cost. So how exactly he works? He takes the money from the richer one and give it free to the surgery to the poor sections of the society itself. So I think in this case, as madam has mentioned, that in addition to my job, I'm doing some sort of charity or some sort of work, so you can be the part of this society in this way, what he is doing. So I think problem is there, he looked upon the problem, so he's not asking to give up your family or life, somehow he's also contributing. Problem is there, you know, the richer section, the poorer section, but he's serving the poorer section in his own way. Problem is there, he's giving the solution. Solution is a sustainable solution. right? He's not asking for any money or very nominal fees from them. So Mr. B is designing a model where revenues have been paid, services streams coupled with high level of efficiency, but it's not like this. He is compromising with the quality for the poor itself. There is no any compromisation in this case, because generally people think that, okay, he's not giving me any money, so I'll compromise with the quality. But this is not the case over there, Arvind Eye Care Hospital. It includes the revenue patients who pay income or the sales, Arvind Intraocular Device Unit itself. I don't run business. He says that I don't run business. I give people their sight. Secret of success is very high efficiency and self-sufficiency. These are the words of that particular person. The housekeeping and the paramedical, people have been hired from the nearby villages. They have been recruited. So this is also one of the way that you are giving employment opportunities, right?
Quality doctors are working in Gujarat.
In Gujarat also. Ahmedabad
Road
as well.
and Stirling, and they are fees of 40 or
With name of the hospital? Name of the hospital? Name of the hospital?
Stirling and
You are from Gujarat. You are from Gujarat.
I am from Rajasthan.
Okay.
They are taking the fees of near about 60,000 per
Yes.
operation.
As I have mentioned, there are
40%.
as I have mentioned, there are n number of people who are contributing, and there is no any name frame for the same. You know, this will be my topic for my PhD, that I need to identify those people, that what they are and how they are doing for the society, and it need to be recognized. Yes, yes. Yes, so there is one serial for the same. Yes.
Only cost of 1 rupee.
Yes, there are in the Punjab as well. There are. So this is the best way to serve, I think. Last time NDA government is talking about this food bill, right? Food bill, give free food to everyone. So have you ever thought about, if you give free food to someone, what will be its outcome? What will be its outcome if you are giving free food? Yes, people will stop working. If people will stop working, unemployment. So, this is the way how our political system is working. It's a big question mark on it. Recently, there is one another. Yes. So, all in all, you are making them weak. You are not even giving them chance to use their this. If they will not use their this, obviously they will do whatever you people are looking for. There is another thing that has been recently introduced, that up till 8, you will not make any person, a student, get fail. I think in Punjab it is there. I think in Haryana also. So what do you think, that is it good, or being academician? Why it is bad? Why it is bad?
In fact, that student is not learning up to 8th class, and then the student is promoting to 9th or 10th class.
And why it has happened? Why it has happened?
Society or something, students were in very pressure.
So I think.
And the government had to
Reduce
make-
the dropouts.
So do you think that dropouts will be reduced in this manner? So child labor. They are giving them meal. They are giving free education.
Education is decreasing.
Okay, actually, you know what happens? You people are all aware about World Bank. You know, there is one loan that our country get from the World Bank. And it is, on the basis of number of students in the school. So this was the reason. Actually, in our university, we have students more than 28 countries. Nigeria, Rwanda, Uganda, Egypt, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and number of students from different countries we have been teaching. And it's in the research as well, and as well my personal experience says that, Indians are the intelligent mind, the intelligent people, if you people have been come across. And if you talk about the BPO industry that is working in the US, that has been only run by our country itself. Because there is, in BPO itself, there is one concept that is known as MTI. MTI? Mother tongue influence. We Indians are so intelligent itself that we can remove that MTI effect, mother tongue influence, because we have developed that skills. There are very few, no any other country in the world who can eliminate that, who have that capability to eliminate that. Even China also, because people have more than 3,500 languages that is spoken in their country, and it's very difficult to understand them in English. So we are the intelligent people. And this is the political system, or somehow the administrator or judiciary or whatever. I just don't want to comment more for the same. For getting that loan, they people are doing so, make the systems. Because in foreign countries, they people don't have this system. Because in our class, in our system, every 1 year we need to give the exam, we'll get pass. That makes us intelligent comparatively. And there's no any system over there. The people don't know mathematics, they don't know understand very much good in the mathematics. Analytical skill is not good, and I have been personally observed. So I think whenever we people come across with these things, it is somehow which is very acting as a termite in our system of our country itself, that needs to be tackled upon. But we have been not provided with that chance. We are both so sorry for the same. So these are the various Arvind eye care system that the people have been providing. They are making appropriate technology, Arvind Medical Foundation, and then community outreach programs, PG Institute for Ophthalmology, then Rotary Arvind Eye Bank, then eye care facilities in Madu, Theni, through the name of the places that is there. So he said that we want to go global, set myself as target to eradicating needless blindness. These are his own dreams for the same. Padma Shri, he was awarded with Padma Shri, Helen Keller International Award. He got leadership, got him accolades with around the world. He has been recognized. So coming to the conceptual part, this is the thing that I want that after this session, we people have been very clear with the same. That is, social entrepreneurship is the work of the social entrepreneur, which comprises of three things, which recognize social problem, then uses the entrepreneurial principle. No doubt that we need to use the entrepreneurial business principles over there. Entrepreneurial business means man, material, machine, labor you are using, and you are coming up with the output itself. That is somehow which is very important in the case of social entrepreneurship. Manage and bring a social change. So I'll discuss certain other more examples, definitions with you. So these are the things that I think which is very important to understand, that helps you to differentiate between what exactly the entrepreneurship and how you are differentiated from social entrepreneurship. Both are interrelated to each other, but yes, there is a demarcation between their definition, what exactly differentiate one from another. So everything is related to the society itself. So Leadbeater and Bill Drayton is the two person who have come across with the concept of the social entrepreneurship first time. And in 1997, he has been used with entrepreneurial behavior. When I have been coming across with this thing, and I have been come across more than 50 definitions. Right, few of them I'll discuss with you. When I have been written this paper, more than 50 definition I have been come across. So the thing which I have been discussed with you, social change, that is the basic crux. But somehow every philosopher, it's like generally authors, when we are writing the papers and all, it's all about game of words. But we need to conceptualize the things. It's very important. The basic reason that why this area is untapped up till, but no doubt from last few years it is getting a warm welcome by everyone, because people are unable to define it. Once the things will not be defined, it will be unable to get into research. I personally feel, I think more experienced faculties are sitting in front of me. I hope that they people are agree for the same, that if we are not able to define the things, we cannot resolve the problem. In management, we are working for the management process. In management process, the first step we generally do this problem identification. We need to identify that what exactly the problem is. And this is the one of the indispensable, imperative, necessary, vital part. If once you recognize that what exactly the problem is, then only you can look for something else. So this is a challenge in this case that we will try to resolve. So Leadbeater has says that entrepreneurial behavior for social needs. Social needs. So more or less, word social is there in the definition of every thinker's definition. Social need is one of the important aspect, because entrepreneurship is already existing and it is at their culmination point these days. right? Recently, if you talk about Mark Zuckerberg, he has donated his 90% of his revenue for the charity itself. Why so? People always run after money. People say that I want. They generally ask from my students, okay, class, what you want, madam? I want $100 million. Madam, I want 1,000 crore rupees. I said that, okay, this is bag full of $100 million, and I'm giving to you. Now tell me, are you happy? Then the student get confused. Manika, I'm saying that this is $100 million I'm giving to you. Tell me, now you're happy? Then he said, madam, no, I think I don't need $100 million. People are so materialistic these days. They think that money is everything. Money is not everything. Money is something only. But we are making it everything. That leads to problem as well. Whether it is our societal issues or sensitive issues as well. And we need to identify that. Once it will get identified, then we need to make a cohesive effort for the same. Then RES in 1999, Kellogg Foundation, right? Kellogg's is very old foundation. Might be you people have been come across with this Kellogg's itself, right? Social entrepreneurs create the social values through innovation and leveraging financial resources to socio-economic and community development. Then Fowler's defined in 2000 that social entrepreneurship is the creation of viable. This person has been using the word viable socio-economic. Viable means which can be worked upon and which can be for a long span of time. Sustainability that will last for a long span of time. Generally, in the case of we people have been these days facing the problem of lead in water. That's why we people have been using a water purifier. Now the things have been originated that in those machines also there is a challenge that there are certain good components that is required for our health that is missing. So again there is a problem. So this means we have been controlling our environment with the use of this ACs, right? We have been controlled, but for a long term you people develop the skin problems for the same. So this when entrepreneurship is giving you the solution to the problem, but it's not sustainable. So in social entrepreneurship, you need to think upon the problems that will give you sustainable solution. Otherwise, in long run, that is this a big question mark on the sustainability of the businesses these days. Na? CSR is is mandatory. Earlier, the contribution was 1%. Now the government make it 2%. If you want to run, then it is mandatory for you to give your 2%, right? For that, what companies have been doing these days. I'm just sharing my personal example with you. In the month of October, I went Bhutan for as an under CPSC program. Might be you people are aware. Just like SARC, there is a Colombo Plan Staff College 17. So what exactly companies have been doing to do their CSR. They need to show that okay, we have been contributing. So one of my friend, he's from IIT. He said that Shivani, what you can do, you just have a contact with any company, right? And ask them, please fund me my traveling expense because the cost price of the Bhutan's air travel is $500. That will cost me more than 50,000 rupees. He said that ask the company to fund you for the same. But they will not fund me actually. So what I'll do, I'll give the promotion for that particular company in Bhutan for my given session. Like I'll send their their visiting cards or any promotional stunt I can use. Only in papers. In reality, I'll pay the money in my pocket. But in their tax saving or their in balance sheet, people are showing that we are promoting research. We are promoting international programs. So this is what companies have been doing. And this is the reality. I said, no, I'll not do this. They are fooling the government actually. So in the video itself, it is richer becomes richer and poorer becomes, because poor people are not aware about these things. And it will be. In US, it is less, In US, it is not like this. Over there, a normal average person have the car, normally car for them, right? This is very important. That's why, in Human Development Index, the people have changed the definition. That's why earlier it was only gross national income. Now it is wealth distribution actually means there should be equal distribution. We people learn economics or any other subject. The first objective of any policy That is there. There should be equal distribution of money and income in our country, which is have a big gap, right? Okay, then Brinkhoff has given the definition looking for the new ways. Now, new ways, which we are talking about the innovation that brings the social change. Then Mort Eatle, a multidimensional construct, which involving the expression of entrepreneurial virtuous behavior. Virtuous behavior mean me rightedness, right, which is rational, right? And to recognize the social value, creating the opportunities, which helps you in the decision making, characteristics of innovation and proactiveness that is very much required in this case. Earlier we are talking about, okay, be reactive or respond to the situation. Now the things that it's like this, you need to be proactive. So what will be our future generation? Now the person of just 5, 6, 7 years, he had those type of problems which generally we people have come across with the age of 60 or 30. It is all due to the environment. This is what we are giving to the environment itself. Our parents or our ancestors have given us good air, good water, good food, good health as well. Genetically, if I'm talking about good health, what we are giving to our next generation means generally the philosophy of earth that we are talking about. We human beings come to this earth for reproduction only. This is what, right? But what we are giving to our upcoming generation. So we need to think upon. Otherwise, this planet will become the most western place and we need to look for some other planet to reside. Yes. Recently, there was one news that Mars, that you people have been.
And they have started making contracts with boss on.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. You know, these days there is one also trend in I forget the name of the country itself, where you know the honeymoon couple go for their honeymoon into the moon itself. They are paying, I think, how many $1,000 or something like that. This is the fees they people have been doing. So absolutely, we need to think for the same. Okay, creates innovative solutions for immediate social problems. Immediate social problems related to our society, related to our culture, related to our sensitive issues. That is the female feticide is also one of the issue that has been residing. In social entrepreneurs, I'm not talking only about the businesses itself. Social problem which is related to our society. It can be in any terminologies as well. Health of the woman, which is generally ignored. Situation of the woman, which is generally ignored, right? That need to be taken upon. So when Muhammad Yunus has introduced this concept, he has given the money to the woman, female in the Bangladesh itself, and things have been improving a lot these days. Harding has mentioned that motivated the social objective to instigate some form of new activity and new venture, right? Then social entrepreneurs are driven by desires of social justice, which is more or less lacking. They seek direct link between their actions and improvement and quality of life. What you people consider these days, there's a huge brain drain in our country. People are migrating from this to some US, yes, European country. The reason is only this. Over here, there's no quality of life. No quality of life in terms of everything. The job as well. Okay, if someone has good job is there, but not good water, safe, pure water to drink, fresh air to breathe, and good food to eat itself. So this is what quality of life it generally defines. When we have, you know, you people are aware about the theory of Maslow's theory, need hierarchy theory. We people have hierarchy of different hierarchies. First, my safety, my food, water, and yeah, your physical needs, then your social needs, right? So now the person teaches or he's earning 70 to 80,000 rupees per month, but once the moment he's thinking like I don't have good food for my. In Delhi there is a problem of lung cancer among children of 8 to 9 years it's old, and they have to wear the mask. That's why the things have been changing. Okay, Arvind Kejriwal is going for this odd or even system. Still there's a big question mark. Yes, still there's a big question mark. Okay, I'll not touch the politics because this is a never ending discussions that we will not come to any sort of conclusion. So that is which helps to differentiate the social entrepreneurs from the normal entrepreneur, problem solver. In the case of entrepreneur, people looking for the problems. Okay, government is not giving me this policy. He's not giving me the subsidy. How I'll get the subsidy? Generally in the entrepreneurs, if you people are aware that our government has introduced one scheme for the physically challenged people, that they are allotted them petrol pumps, right? So I'm telling you the example of my own nearby home. So there is a good renowned people in my town itself. So the people have diversified businesses. So what the people have done, they have this one female who is physically handicapped, right? Physically challenged. So what the people have, they have taken the license with her name and pay her 10, 20, whatever the amount they're looking for. But actual benefit is going to whom? So this is actually, happening in our country, right? This is what in UP people says that over there, if any weird person is going for, they know, means criminals are those people who better know the constitution of our country, or all those different techniques to how to get the rid more than us, all the loopholes. They know how to use the your rules and regulations, or judiciary. Yes, they know better than. Yes, yes, it is exactly. This is the reality. This is the reality. So problem solver is one of the aspect that is looking in our social entrepreneurs itself. So from all these definition, three things that I make as a conclusion. The first thing, the problem. There would always be a problem for the same, for the social entrepreneur. The second thing that have been used, that is the sustainable solution. We always look for the solution in entrepreneurship. Social entrepreneurship, which will give you sustainable solution. I am giving you the solution that will not reside for today itself, that will not sustain for today only, but yes, for my upcoming generation or my upcoming time itself. And then there will be a social change that leads to economic, cultural, value, traditional change in your society itself. Okay, one thing that I want to discuss, how many of you are aware about the word effect? Effect and impact. Can you tell me?
इफेक्ट मींस किसी के ऊपर कितना मतलब अगर सोशल टर्म में बात करें ना तो जो है ये होगा कि आप पर्सनली किसी ग्रुप के ऊपर किसी इंडिविजुअल के ऊपर कितना प्रभाव डालते हैं, इम्पैक्ट डालते हैं.
Impact.
इम्पैक्ट मींस एक तरह से
How much you are influencing something.
That is impact.
Are you able to influence? That is impact.
And effect.
Reflection of anything.
Reflection.
Or you can say the outcomes of any particular stimuli on another object.
Effect.
You want to know the difference between effect and effect.
Both are interrelated terms. No. And there's not a big difference between the two.
What you are not expecting. You are just you are not gaining anything, but in impact you must be gaining out of that.
Negative.
Negative.
Yes, sir. Yes. Very good.
US जब अपनी economic policies change करता है, it affects the entire world. It
Yes.
creates an impact on the economies of the other.
Yes, you are very near to that. Thank you so much, sir. Actually, there's a difference between the two, as he has mentioned. Effect is immediate, impact is for long term. We generally keep on using this word impact on our research papers as well, no? Impact. So that will retain for a long span of time. So in the case of social entrepreneurship, as I have been used the word sustainable solution, which will remain long for a long span of time, and it will last. Actually, it will last. So this is the one thing that is very much imperative and we cannot ignore. In the case of entrepreneurship, which is missing for a long span of time, I want that I should have a healthy environment. Just Chandigarh is a good example for the same. The people have trees, good environment, and all in all, if who is responsible for all this system? Judiciary. I have one of my friend. He is IPS officer nearby. A few people have been aware about the place named in Punjab. It's nearby Jalandhar. nearby Jalandhar is the place named Jagraon. He is the IPS has been allotted over there. Once a day, people have been discussing. So I said that, do you think that the judiciary of our country is working very well? He said that, we have been clutched our hands by this political system. If the police of this country is working in an appropriate manner, nobody can steal even your chappal from mandir. So if it is good system only due to the judiciary itself, right?
Judiciary is more responsible.
Your administrative or yes, obviously means all in all, somehow it's need. So there are various theories that has been working for the same, that who can change the condition of our country itself, right? So once we people have had a discussion with all the faculty members over there, who can change the system of our system? So there is of our country itself, there's a dictatorship only. So if you go through with the histories, na, history repeats itself. There's a law, in this, and our country is yeah, our country is considered to be the land of sacrifice or revolutionaries. If you just open up the pages of the history, it says that only the dictatorship will work. Otherwise, or there is a change of only one party system. People are saying only one party. If there is a group of parties, so certain parties will say, "I'll not go." So it's a big difference. Every person has their own motives, own attitude, own perception, own self-centeredness. So you cannot make them united. Or India is the land of diversity, which is unique and which is missing everywhere. So these are the few characteristics that I think we have already been discussed. Mission leaders, emotionally charged person, change agent is very important. Change is one of things that convert the one into the given state, which is in the terminologies of your social change I'm talking about, and that will sustain for a long span of time itself. Then is your opinion leader, social value creator. This we people have to keep on discussing. Socially alert manager and visionary is also very important. Generally people say I have a vision. Every companies or any big houses, corporates have been there. They people have,
To the society, then what impact will be given and what will be the future aspects of
yes,
this.
that you need, and you should have a vision for the same. If you talk about this Arvind Hospital, he says that my vision is to, there will be no any blind people over here. Vision that, so this vision will sustain for a long span of time. But generally if you come across with the generally normal entrepreneurs, what is their vision? Okay, my target is number one, or earn this profit, that profit. They are only talking in the terms of profit only. So no doubt that without money we cannot run the business. That's why I have been mentioned that entrepreneurial aspect is there in social entrepreneurship, but without taking into account or ignoring your society, it is not possible, because outcomes are there these days. Number of divorce rate is quite high. Culture is all devastating. You ask someone about their parents, their grandchildren, grandparents, their names, even people are not aware about their name.
तो तुम्हारा बात बताते नहीं।
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं,
Once
उन्होंने ऐसा कोई काम नहीं किया है कि इनको याद रखा जाए।
अच्छा हाँ,
I think sir had a bad experience.
Why do you remember Mahatma Gandhi? Why do you remember?
Okay, I'll not touch that topic. I think it will lead to a big discussion.
यही है diversity.
Okay. Yeah, this is diversity because everyone has their own perception. So I cannot comment for the same.
Like you said, money is not everything. According to money, is so many things.
No, I said money is not everything, it is something. But we are making it everything. We are making it everything.
How can you run anything?
No, I'm not denying. I'm not denying. Means after the completing of this session, we will have a discussion that how much percent a person money needs in everyone's life. I'll give you the answer for this question. A person in his life, how much money he needs. I'll tell you what will be the answer for the same after this session. Okay, then why it is attractive? Why it is attractive? Problems is one of the reasons that there are n number of things that has been going around, and in my next session I will discuss there are more than 148 institute in US only that is working for social entrepreneurship. Social entrepreneur, they have people have been integrated as the part of their study, the curriculum itself. Means I'll discuss one model in my next session itself. Then growth of the organization that suppose the social cause. right? In the companies where people have been, both couples have been working in the company, they are providing crutch facility for their kids itself. Somehow they are responsible for the work-life balance, telecommuting. These are the ways you can work from your home, you can manage. Or the recently the government has introduced one concept of paternity leave as well. Yes, fathers will also get, only in government, but few private organizations do have. Right? Crisis all over the world is also one of the reason. Problems all over the world is one of the reason that why this concept of social entrepreneurship has been come across. Sustainability that I have been keep on discussing. What we are teaching to the students in the class, we have been to, okay, social entrepreneur, okay, this is the person who can social change the concept, and that's only the definition. Sustainability means what the student is learning in the class, is he implementing something in his own life at least, then for the society itself? Means what you are teaching today, will it be sustained when the student will start working in the company or in his job or in his career or in his life? So this is one thing that we all teachers need to require, and teacher plays a very indispensable role. We all,
RBI is coming with the ad. हम कमाएंगे का word?
yes, yes, yes. Yes, nahi, yes, there is an ad of idea na, ki you need, generally people say that when I have lots of money, I'll do the charity. Yes, this is what he said. He said you are sharing the internet. You are sharing the internet, in this way you can change. Then this is the basic difference between social service and social entrepreneurship. A social service influences other to generate a new and sustained equilibrium. Means you are asking the people, okay, give charity, right? Then in this case, you generate new and sustained equilibrium. You are generating them. You are not by providing food will give free food to everyone. No, don't do this. Give them employment. Give them reason to live. Give them reason to have their good life. Because from the charity itself, if you are giving charity to someone, one day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, somehow you realizes this thing. This is something making me, or you, that person will not accept, or somehow lacking, or anything it can be. If you are borrowing something from someone, you actually feels that this is somehow a burden. He's a normal human being if you're talking about. So make the person generate those opportunities that will give them real happiness, right?
This happens at the traffic light also. If we saw 4 or 5 people there and if we give them money,
There's a
in the next week, those 5 people increase to 10.
yes,
But they find opportunity on that.
yes,
side,
exactly.
people start giving money.
And
That is two-way process. This is a two-way
two-way process as well. And these days in WhatsApp also, you people are coming across with the various messages that they people have been hired for the same, or there are certain groups.
If you offer them employment, they will not be ready to work.
Yes, they will not be ready.
I've asked a number of ladies, a number of times that they come, आती है ना वो घर पे that give me some amount of money this and that. I asked one lady, why you are asking for money for 5 rupees or 10 rupees? You just do one thing. Our maid was on leave for that day. I asked her, okay, you do this thing, I'll pay you.
Yes, then they denied.
No, ऐसे करो, मेरे को ऐसे पैसे दो.
Yes.
Free में है कि पैसे?
Yes.
They are not ready to work, so it is a two-way process. So all along you cannot do this.
Yes, actually, somehow it is the reality as
This is the
well.
reality
This is
actually.
the
And
reality.
ask some boy na that he has been doing your studies.
Because their
So भैया कह रहे हैं, पढ़ाई नहीं करनी तो
their attitude and their perception has been bent in this manner. Yes, it is. Then how the social entrepreneur can contribute to the social country's development? That helps you to generate employment. Employment can resolve your more or less every problem, right? Then innovation in some new good things or the good services which we have never thought about, right? Then is your social capital. Then the last one is your equity promotion. Equity promotion in context to your, there should be equal distribution among the resources in various hands itself. So I personally feel that it is non-charitable unit, right? And there should be, you need to have immersion understanding. Understanding is very important. Research has been going on that need to set the certain boundaries. Okay, what exactly social entrepreneur is? Is it a charity? No, it is not a charity. But still there are certain research papers in which it has been mentioned that people consider itself as a charity, but actually it is not. NGOs is not the part of social entrepreneurship. NGOs have been running, okay, this billionaire has given certain money to save the tax. Recently there was a case in 1999, P Chidambaram's wife, there were 100 NGOs has been affiliated with her name. Might be recently, few days back also, this case has been originated. So actually they are not existing and they are saving the tax. This is the way how people retrieve the money, how people retrieve the money from the international banks, World Bank as well, that our country has to keep on doing. Then non-dividend company itself, and more or less you are looking for the problem itself. Okay, this is one of the Jordan. In Jordan itself, there's a female who is working as a social entrepreneur. So she has launched a program that We Love Reading. This program was launched by her that has positive impact on the children, because children is the upcoming generation. In our country, you know what we people are teaching to the students or kids at the age of 3, 4, 5: A for apple, B for banana, and C for car. This is what we people have been teaching. You know, in China also, I just this example clicked my mind. In China, up till 3 to 6 years, they are teaching the manners to their kids. You know, these days we are sending our grandparents to the old age homes. You know, they said that in Hindi, I'm mentioning, वो कहते हैं, कुछ नहीं देंगे आपके, मतलब आपके दादाजी या इट्स बोझ है हमारे लिए, वो एटलीस्ट वो मैनर्स तो सिखा देंगे. These days females have been come across, mean ladies have been coming across with the problem that their children don't speak at very early stage, because there is no one at the home to say mama, papa. There's no one. That's the reason, right? So at least they are teaching them etiquette, manners, right? Sanskar, right? Okay, so throughout the Jordan, by creating a library in the local neighbors, actively encouraging each community in the experience of storytelling and creating the life. And she has been started in 2006 and trained 400 women to read, and allowed and established 100 libraries throughout in the Jordan itself. These libraries serve 4,000 children, and her model to spread in Turkey as well. These days there is a huge problem or disturbance in the Turkey itself. Right, she won the Synergis Award for Arab Social Innovation in Innovator in 2009 itself. She had been awarded with some other awards as well, and she has also invited for Clinton Global Initiative that was there in the White House itself. For she has been also promised for originating 5 new uh, libraries, 100 more libraries. So in the last, I just make a crux for the things I would like to display one video. It will work, I think. Could you?
This is video.
Yes, yes, this is video.
Change resolves social problems through market strategies. Social entrepreneurship is also a good way for civil society organizations that want to reduce their dependency on donor systems and gain greater financial and operational freedom. Starting a social enterprise is a challenge for all those to whom profit is not the only goal, who want a job that makes sense and has a purpose. Visit www.sense.rs and find out all about social entrepreneurship. Sense, Social Economy Network Serbia.
Doing in my classes itself to make the people aware. Recently, just few months back, there's one article in Economic Times that CSR, most socially responsible companies of our country, in which Tata leads comparatively to others. So 10 most socially responsible companies. And if you come across with the programs that running by every company, the word social entrepreneurship has been coming into their definitions, into their programs itself. People are awakening itself, but I think in our classes we can make the people, youth specifically, for the same as the social mentor or social server being teacher, we are the part of the society. I'm not asking you to give up your livelihood, or I'm not asking you to leave your family and all. Wherever you people can, I think charity essays begins from the home itself. If we are making our students aware for the same, definitely it would be. And it's not like this, you cannot make your both hand meets with this way. You can, but again I'm mentioning that it will lead to the solution of certain problem, and that will sustain, and your that employability will give you the true happiness itself. So you motivate your employees as well. So I'll come to your questions, just let me complete. Realization for its need is very important. So you can, I hope that now you will be able enough to make them realize actually this is the problem and how we can tackle. Everyone not have the solution for every problem, but yes, if we'll sit together certain times, students, I have recently have done one small research in my university itself. There is a huge problem of drugs and drinking, even in the case of girls as well. It's not like this that they are not doing the same. So I have asked them to conduct the research, that to ask the people that what are the various reasons. So it shows that people are doing, they're not aware about the same. Means they are not aware about their future. They're not clear vision about their future itself. So that's why they have been deviated. They want to, and in my research itself I have been used one question: are you willing to leave this habit? So 98% respondent says that yes, they want to leave this habit because now they're becoming so dependent on it. So I have been conducted this research on 167 students in the university itself. So majority of the students have replied yes, they want to give up the same. But this leads to addiction, so that's a problem. So somehow realization is very important, and making them aware about this thing, it is. So it is also one of the social change that we can develop in our being a teacher, because we have a direct contact with our students itself. That will help our society as well for the better future. So in the end, I want to only say, yeah.
ये जो बच्चे आपके यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं, क्या पहले लेते थे?
नहीं.
तो LPU में आके उन्होंने शुरू किया.
No, it's not
Who
in
is responsible for it?
LPU.
What is the remedy for that? And one more thing, they have given you chance, you got the opportunity to do this. Okay, so you should wait. Thank you to your management. So who is responsible? LPU or their parents?
Responsible that why students, your question is that who is responsible that why they have been indulging into these activities. I think availability of the thing, and when you are keeping it away from your parents, right, and you have no any fear factor, because I have been come across with 10-15 questions, because these days students are not aware about their future. They don't have any objective. Yes.
थे,
Yes.
सीख कर आते थे,
Yes.
अच्छी चीज. Similar, LPU is a similar kind of Gurukul.
No, no, no. It's totally Western. I believe in Guru culture, but that is totally missing in our whole India. It's not with LPU only.
My question, who is responsible?
Actually, I'm not saying that university is responsible. We cannot say.
There is no system. My home is will be run accordingly me.
Yes.
Government,
नहीं,
Yes,
government
government.
नहीं आता घर के अंदर.
Actually,
अरे नहीं, गवर्नमेंट घर के अंदर नहीं आता. घर के अंदर मेरी घर के अंदर मेरे बच्चे, मेरी वाइफ
you give some time.
या मेरे पेरेंट्स ने ऐसा मुझे सिखाया.
The house, the house.
So I am the responsible. ये माइक्रो
Nobody is responsible, only parents is responsible. They
At-
should give the kind of,
Once
parents
parents
kind of.
are given-
because they people are staying away from their parents.
आपको सौंप दिया. You are teacher there, right?
They people are, sir, we are teachers only 9 to 5. I'm not staying. This is not Gurukul system, na.
घर के संस्कार is अच्छे, strong है.
हाँ.
They will not accept anything.
Actually, in certain cases, in certain sir, in certain cases,
But availability,
yes, this is what.
provide.
Not in the university and outside the university. Inside the university, university is responsible. Outside the university, university is not responsible. No, no, sir, it's not the case. I'm there and I'm residing in the university. Inside the university, we are responsible. But if someone is taking from the outside, what we can do in that case?
Actually, parents. are
This can also happen.
This is best excuse.
No, sir, it's not. It's not an excuse.
Parents does have a.
There are
I
various
am
factors.
also teacher. I am working as a dean student of in my college.
Okay, sir.
So always we have. एक बार parents ने बच्चे को सौंप दिया. Then my responsibility to make them well.
Sir, only in the case if they are in the university. When they are outsider,
आपने तो पल्ला झाड़ लिया कि कैंपस के अंदर सब कुछ ठीक है. लेकिन आप बता रहे हो कैंपस के अंदर ही कर.
Sir, we are
नहीं,
not
नहीं,
business.
outside.
We are not giving
The-
education. We are doing
आप
business.
खुद ही confuse हो ना.
नहीं, I am saying inside, नहीं sir, inside the university we are responsible. Inside, the,
Business. We are not giving any kind of.
no sir, it's not to certain extent. As I have been already mentioned that for the charity itself you need the money. For the, I'm not denying. I'm again saying I'm not denying for the same.
My father is saying that I want to take admission in the Lord University.
Okay, okay.
Today I am.
No, no. Yes, sir. It is not in our university. It's with everything. It's in everywhere. No, sir. Why you people are defaming LPU? It's not in LPU. You can go some other universities. It will there.
मैडम होल सिस्टम की बात कर रही है, not
Not in the university only. I'm talking about whole system. Availability is one of the biggest source. Everyone is responsible, but availability, as sir has mentioned, availability is one of the. Obviously, we are not performing our duty.
This is a debatable topic.
Yes,
That we are.
Yes, sir.
जब लड़का when a student takes an entry to engineering college, he is at least 18-year-old. According to our constitution, he can decide the fate of a prime minister. Doesn't he have that common sense of deciding his own fate rather than blaming it on a teacher or the parent
or the system.
or the system? A young chap of 16-year-old, 10th pass, joins the army. He fights on the border. So what's the point in blaming it on a teacher? He has got his own family. What's the point in blaming on the management? There is a border.
I'm just passed out. My friends were taking drugs, I was not taking drugs. I'm not taking drugs.
Somehow,
I can't blame my
Some-
parents.
You have to leave the moral
It's
value.
up to person.
but you know when you are staying away from your family, these morals get diluted.
We can't say
This is the thing that is happening.
what parents are doing. It's up to student. I'm just passed out. And my friends are just taking drugs. And someone was admitted in hospital last week also.
Because your family have given you a kind of
It's not
moral
a good
value.
teacher, it's not a good parents only. Circle also.
इतना interest होता है
So, you know, I must say that, you know, when we people have been like, as you have mentioned, that it is only the parents itself, their moral, their sanskars. But, you know, when the students are getting away from their homes, na, their sanskars get diluted. Because there are n number of factors that influences you. Because our culture difference is a lot.
Dr. Abdul Kalam, once I had chance to meet with him personally. We talked, we had chatting for 20 minutes.
It might be equally responsible. Kindly switch off your mobiles, either on vibration or switch off.
Attitude matters.
जैसे ही ring करेगा तो हम कहते हैं sorry. Why are you feeling sorry?
Yes. Because you have already committed the mistake. This is somehow I mean, I'm not. You cannot give credit to single person for this. Everyone is involved into the same, and I think everyone needs to make effort to resolve these issues. Everyone.
Regarding
If-
Kalam, 3 persons are responsible to change, to take, bring a change to society. Number one, mother, father, and teacher. Teacher, those are teaching primary.
Yes, primary. Yeah, according to one research as well.
आप उनकी एज ग्रुप देखें,
But sir,
जो 7-year-old है, मतलब 5 to 8 year old.
Revolution तो किसी भी स्टेज पे आ सकता है.
अब उसके पेरेंट्स का क्या एज ग्रुप
Sir, actually research says that the personality changes in the person is in more in adolescence from 12 to 19.
जवान है या यूथ है, वो उसके पास क्या है? मतलब जिस तरह का सोसाइटी प्राइमरी टीचर मोस्ट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड
Yes,
kidding.
right, sir. Agree.
You see, we are 23. You will find
Because they have been forced to sit here.
I didn't say this.
Because they have been forced to sit.
reality
Reality is this.
reality of the India
You
is
are-
that everybody
you see,
speaks of change
all
and
are
change.
well
Nobody
qualified.
wants to be
We
part of
all
that
are
change.
well
This is the
qualified.
problem. actually.
This is what we
We
need
are
to
sitting
be.
in,
We are
this hall
cribbing
and
only.
We are talking about the change and
Yeah.
change. When we go
Because we are in comfort
out
zone.
of the room now, I'll be putting that Lay's packet
Yes.
somewhere into the ground rather than I'll not make my effort to put
Exactly.
that into the dustbin.
Recently,
Change is very
I'll say,
easy, but bringing and
If
being
you
part
give
of that
this
is
kind
very
of-
difficult.
this is what
This
we.
is the problem.
This is
Your
an.
kids,
Okay,
आप
who
छह,
will?
7 साल के बच्चे को 5 साल के बच्चे को बता दो बेटे इसे डस्टबिन में ही डालना है. I have to think to daughter. मैं हम लोगों ने जो रेस किया, ये तो मोदी जी आज बोल रहे हैं.
Yes.
प्लीज किएगा. और हमने तो बच्चों को ऐसे रेस किया जैसे मैं गलती करता हूँ, वो मुझे करेक्ट करती है कि नहीं बाबा जी मत.
Good, sir. It's very good.
वो अपने पॉकेट में रख लेंगी.
बिल्कुल.
तो मुझे लगता है कि जो यंग है 4 year 5 year 6 year बॉयज
वहीं से.
पे काम करें
Yes.
चेंज करने का, तो दे विल
Agree.
चेंजिंग.
Yes. Yes.
अब हम लोग तो
क्योंकि sir,
confused हो चुके हैं.
personality. Yes. Confusion is also there. And
But
sir,
yeah.
according to sir personality theory as well, एक stages होते हैं. There are certain stages, and that stage is the appropriate stage where you can teach someone, and you can shape on the identities. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. If still you people have any query, we can sit and have a discussion for the
But,
same.
I think you have to correct your sentence. Money is so many.
No, sir. I'm not saying. I'm
Please,
saying. I'm saying.
money.
Money
I will tell you one thing.
not
You said
everything, but
Zuckerberg,
it is
please,
something.
please. Zuckerberg has given 90% of his money.
99%.
If he is having 1 trillion, he donated 90%. If you have only 1 lakh, you are donating 90%, then what will you have?
Sir,
How
I'm
will
not
you survive?
denying. You are taking me wrong. I'm not saying that money is everything.
Yeah.
Money is something,
So you
but
should-
it is not everything. This is what I'm saying. Obviously, I came for the lecture.
And
Yes.
I read your statement saying money is more than something, that's all. Money is more than something.
It's all up to you to how much percentage you want to give priority to money in your life.
How you interpret it.
So I
We
consider,
are not worried for
I personally consider that a person
सरकार टैक्स क्यों लेती है?
in his life need a money
is important.
money
Paper should be written.
to run. Yes, obviously we can do. Just the amount of petrol that is required to run a car. This much of
Yeah,
amount
yeah,
of
like
money.
a
you need.
petrol. I agree. But
Because we don't save
you
petrol.
know
I think.
petrol.
Yes, I'm not denying that we don't need petrol.
And
Okay, thank you so much.
Every